Hello everyone, my name is Nisha Kumari. I completed BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Purnea College of Engineering, Purnea in 2022. I am searching for a job. Then one of my friends suggested me about Evision. Then I joined it for train myself. Evision Technoserve is IT services and consulting company. During this process, I learned about networking, Windows administration, CCNA, cybersecurity, and Linux. Trainers are supportive and keep motivating me. Then I got placed in Regard Network Solution Private Limited. I received 2.16 LPA. The best part of Evision is faculty member. The faculty member of Evision is very supportive and makes sure each and every student learn each and every topic very well, and always conduct mock interview for boost confidence, for communication skills, and also for crack an interview. Thank you, Vision, for motivating me, and thank you for this opportunity.